About 5 months ago, my buddy Trevor showed us this spot that we thought would be perfect for a DIY. Eventually, we set a date, and I got my buddies Evan Lane and Matt Cordova on board for this project. The day of the build, we didn't know really what we were doing, but we had a vision in mind, so we just went for it. The project was going really good, but unfortunately, we ran out of material, so we had to set a date to come back to finish it. We came back 2 days later with a little more experience at our belt and got the project done. We were really stoked on this project. It definitely was a big learning curve for all of us, and I cannot wait to do more projects like this in the future. A week later, we finally got the chance to ride this thing in, and boy, were we not disappointed.